शुक्रवारा गिरदोळी चांद्राच्या लोकांनी पंचायत वांगड्याक बरोबर घेऊन रेल्वे रुळाच्या बांदकामाकडले राखणे वंटेचे बांदकाम बंद उडयले। त्या उपरांत रेल्वे अधिकाऱ्यांनी थळव्यांबरोबर बसका घेतली आणि एका दिसा भितर काम बंद दवरतले अशें सांगले। उपरांत शेनवारा बसका घेवन तातूंत ह्या विशयाचेर निर्णय घेवपाचें थारले।
साउथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वेच्या डबल ट्रॅकिंगाचे कामाक लागून गांवांतले लोक अस्वस्थ आसात। लोकांची आंदोलनां चालूच आसात। रेल्वे अधिकारी जमीन ताब्यात घेतले बगर काम करता असो थळाव्यांचो आरोप।
People are worried that the rivers have been buried, existing rivers of the day have been buried. Okay, and they have certain say that certain land is which is not acquired, the mud has been filled, work is ongoing. If that is the case, wherever the land is not acquired, that has to be stopped immediately. Flow of river, whatever is there, it has to be taken care. The national water body has to go the way it has to go. Now they have told us that they will come and meet us in person. So now we'll speak to them and ask them when it's convenient for them. And we have to see all the numbers, whether they are available on that particular day. We'll sit and we'll see what they have to say. Because we had given them in writing the expansion plan of this area which falls in Girdoli jurisdiction, which they have not provided anything.
आमची मागणी रिव्हरातले माती पडी गायला ती रिव्हरातली माती काढून उडोवची। आमची रिव्हर तेणे आहा तशी जाती, तेणे एक्वायर केला ते आमकां लागना। रिव्हर आहा ती रिव्हर दवरची, तांकां तो डेव्हलपमेंट रोड करून जाय की जाय तेणी तेंच्या वयल्यान ब्रिज बांदून वचची, पण माती घालून दिवची ना। ते पळय म्हणटात हे की हो रस्तो गांवच्या लोकांक पासो तेवदा एकूय गोर ना।
As demanded by the public, we have requested the public, the panchayat and few leaders will sit down for a meeting with us tomorrow in the morning. And as a mark of respect to the people's sentiment, we are calling off work till the meeting tomorrow. Okay, outcome of the meeting.
गोवा 365 खातीर गिरदोळच्यान रमेश नायक रावत।